Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about the numericals related to equilibrium constants. And for this you must know about the law of chemical equilibrium, and that formula will be utilized in all these problems. And first numerical problem is CO gas plus 3s2 gas CH4 plus all are in gaseous state means homogeneous equilibrium. Takes place in a flask having 1 liter capacity. Means they will occupy the volume 1 liter. Gases have the capacity to occupy the whole space. The amount under these conditions are this much at equilibrium because the process is in equilibrium. And Kc is also given to you. You have to find out the molar concentration of methane. You are provided with H2, CH4, H2O. You have to find CO, H2 and H2O. You have to find out CH4. We will simply apply the formula Kc, product of concentration of products to the product of concentration of reactant raised to power respective coefficient in the equation. On putting the values, we get this one, and ultimately the value comes out to this one. Now 58.5 on displacing one of the decimal place, you get this value. Very simple numerical. In this numerical, Kc is given to you, and the initial amount is given to you. But in initial amount, no product is present. What will the concentration of all the reactant and product concentration आपको निकालनी है? इस केस में वेसल के अंदर स्टार्टिंग के अंदर सिर्फ दो ही गैसेस हैं. कौन कौन सी? CO and H2O. अब जो टाइम जीतता जाएगा ये भी बनेगा. तो कहां से आएगा? ये रिएक्टेंट ही कंज्यूम होगा. The reactant will consume and the product will be formed. Let X will be the molar concentration of CO2, and here 1:1 ratio. The molar concentration H2 will be also X. But they are also 1:1. In this case, it comes of 0.1. इसमें से कुछ जाएगा तो उत्तर बनेगा. And the same is 0.1. If कभी किसी ने मैटर 0.2 का तो 0.2 minus X. There may be same, may be equal. वेसल में कैसे कंपोजिशन का डाल किया जा सकता है. And by law of chemical equilibrium, product of concentration of product to the product of concentration of reactant coefficient है नहीं, लिखा नहीं पाना. वैल्यू पुट कर दिया. क्या देख रहे हैं? X here 0.1 minus K. हम क्या करेंगे? दोनों तरफ स्क्वायर. This is the easiest way. On taking square root both sides. So 4.24 approximately 2.05 x upon 0.1. On rearrangement, I will get the value x is 0.0567. And what is x? The concentration of CO2 and concentration of H2. Mean one answer is the concentration of CO2 equal to concentration of hydrogen is 0.067. But we have to find out concentration of all the components. Then for this 0.1 minus x is 0.067. The concentration of CO equal to concentration of water equal to 0.03. On that, अगर यहाँ पे वैल्यू देखने की होती तब यहाँ 0.2 minus 0.067 करते. लेकिन अब इस न्यूमेरिकल में ऐसा नहीं था, आपने किया. In both cases, the concentration is same. Next numerical. Find Kp for the reaction. Reaction is Kp2 changes Ab plus P. Like CO2 changes CO and O. If the initial pressure is 500 mm, There is no A, B and P initial. And the total pressure at equilibrium is 700. And at equilibrium, you will get also this one, this one. The total pressure is this plus this. The initial pressure is this one. At equilibrium क्या होगा? They are 1:1 ratio. If the in this case the pressure is decreases, on this case pressure comes out to P. जैसे minus x कर दिया P कर दिया, and they are 1:1 ratio P आ गया. जितना उधर जाएगा वो इधर कितना जाएगा, जितना इधर से सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा. पानी में शुगर डाल रहा हूँ, शुगर कितने डिसॉल्व होगी, कितनी बचेगी, बचेगी कितनी, जितनी डिसॉल्व हुई. ऐसे गैस के अंदर भी जितना गैस बनी वो कितनी गैस बनी, जितनी इधर से कंज्यूम हुई. तो 700 टोटल प्रेशर है. टोटल में तो अब ये भी गैस है, ये भी गैस है, ये भी तीनों गैसेस है. ओके, तो इस गैस का प्रेशर कितना है, 500 माइनस P. In this case the pressure is P. In this case the pressure is P. तो कैसे 500 plus P. P is equal to 700 minus 500. That is 200 minus. And what about AB2? AB2 this one is 500 minus 200. And AB and B, they are same, that is 200. Now we will apply the law of chemical equilibrium. Product of concentration of partial pressures of product over the partial pressure of reactant. Coefficient है नहीं लगाया, value put किया, हमें आंसर मिल गया. In equilibrium constant we don't mention the units. Next numerical, all numericals are of different types. Kc for the reaction is given to you. At particular time, reaction is taking place. In the middle of the reaction, I have taken out the sample and analyzed the sample. And on analysis found the concentration nitrogen, hydrogen, ammonia are this and this m respectively. M is mole per unit. Is the reaction in equilibrium? If not, in which direction reaction will proceed to reach equilibrium stage? अगर नहीं है, नहीं कब होगा, अगर Q K के बराबर होगा. जब मुझे पता ही नहीं इक्विलिब्रियम पे है कि नहीं है, तो मैं क्या मेंशन बताया था, characteristics of equilibrium constant. If we are not, we don't know the reaction is in equilibrium, and we will apply the law of equilibrium. In that case, we will not mention K, we will mention Q. Q is reaction quotient. Value put कर दिया, we get 0.01. Reaction quotient is 0.01, while the equilibrium constant is 0.067. Means Q and K are not equal. If Q and K are not equal, it means the reaction is not in equilibrium. This is the first part. In which direction reaction will proceed? Now Q is 0.01, K is 0.06. K is more, Q is less. If Q is less, the product concentration is less. It means the reaction will proceed in a forward direction to reach equilibrium value. Now I am going to take up this numerical. This is very tough numerical. देखते हैं कैसे, how. The reaction which is taking place in an iron tank, in that case the Kp is this much at 1050 Kelvin. What are the equilibrium partial pressures? What are the partial pressure of CO at equilibrium stage? What are the partial pressure of CO2 at equilibrium stage? If initial pressure of CO and CO2 are this and this one, yet up to why I'm saying this is the tough numerical. Initially K is given and the initial amount are only reactants. Only reactants are there. In this case, initially reactant is and product both are present. And if only reactant is there only, in that case we are quite aware that direction will proceed in a forward direction on this minus, on this is plus. In this case, we don't know the direction whether it's taking place in a forward direction or backward direction. In this way. So, I will find out the Q. Partial pressure of CO2 or partial pressure is 0.267. Why K is 0.26, but Q is more. If Q is more, so the product concentration is high. It means the reaction proceeds in backward direction. If Q comes out to be less, then the reaction will proceed in a forward direction. अभी तो फर्स्ट हमने पहले ये मालूम किया कि इधर माइनस करना किधर रिएक्शन बैकवर्ड जाएगा, इसका मतलब यहाँ से प्रेशर कम होगा, इधर प्रेशर बढ़ेगा, यहाँ 1:1 रेशियो। अगर यहाँ 2 होता तो हम आपको भी कर देते। यही अगर Q इज लेस होता तब यहाँ पे माइनस, यहाँ पे प्लस होता। फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन तो नेचुरल रिएक्टेंट कंसंट्रेशन विल, partial pressure will decrease, product partial pressure will increase. But in this case, the reaction is in backward direction. It will, product will change into reactant, not reactant to product. And when there is minus, there is plus. Applying law of chemical equilibrium. And on rearrangement, we get P is equal to this much. But there is not an answer. Answer for CO is, it should be this one. And for CO2, it should be this one. So partial pressure of CO 1.4 plus P is this one. You will get this much answer. And partial pressure of CO2 at equilibrium 0.89. You have to subtract this value. In this way, this numerical is considered as a very tough numerical because initially we don't know in which direction the reaction will proceed, where we have to use minus sign, where we have to use positive sign. And last problem is Kp is given to you, Kc you have to find it out. So Kp for the reaction 2SO2 2SO3 is this much. What is Kc at 450 Kelvin? We know that Kp is equal to Kcr delta Ng. Kp is 2.0 times per 10. Kc we have to find out. In terms of bar, it is 0.083. In terms of atmosphere, it will be 0.082. Temperature 450. Then delta Mg. 2 reactant mole is 3. Product is 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. If there is any solid component, that will be treated as negligible. उसको ले आए. Solid don't exert partial pressure. Minus 1 means this will come downward on multiply to look at. This is the answer. So rest of the problem you will solve at your own. Next time I will take up a new concept related to Lee-Chatterjee principle or the factors affecting the equilibrium constant. Now try to solve all the numericals problem from NCERT and other